are people thinking? I mean, they're really heavy industrial lampshades. I can't imagine they would be less than a couple hundred each. Well, anyway, I'm going to refinish them. I'm going to strip them and then refinish them. And I don't think they're going to be white. Talk about a dumpster dive. That was the ultimate. 60 centimeters. Huge. Heavy, but not too heavy. They're just amazing. I think over my kitchen counter, they're just extraordinary. They're truly industrial in my industrial space. First step is to strip them. So it looks like they were blue, and then somebody just slapped some white paint, literally just slapped some white paint on them. They're so, let me show you what they look like on the other side. They aren't dented or cracked or broken in any way that I can tell. They're in perfect condition. Spiders. So right, I think if I just bring it down to the metal, well, we'll see. Let me just say, I'm a firm believer that when you're on the right track, the universe delivers. First one I've been working on. So basically I want to get them both down to about this so that I can take them across and finish them off with my orbital sander. I want to keep it at this dark brown level. I just want to get rid of these bits of primer. Lefty! Lefty! I love this time of year with the fog in the morning. Occasionally, that old donkey is called to haul something for its owner. So, disappointment, she was not there for breakfast, but I'm going to put it in the fridge because otherwise the flies will ravish it. There she goes. She understood it was watermelon. I told you it was watermelon, Ella. Come on. Come on. I told you it was your favorite. All right, I'll go now. Oh. She thought it was tomatoes again. There you go. She doesn't have any teeth. Loves watermelon. out to my son-in-law, who pointed out to me that Starlink is an option. And then I found out there's a special package for the islands. It's $29 a month flat fee for whatever internet you use. And all of this kit is for free. And you make a 1-year contract. I mean, you have nothing to lose. And apparently the internet is good. Let's see, because now it's almost non-existent and it's expensive. Pay a fortune for zero service. And now I have to open the app and follow the directions. Okay, need the phone for that. I'll have to take that for a second. And the Starlink kit arrived today. So I hope it's just plug and play and we can fix this internet situation. Let's see. Well, it's the second day and I've managed to upload 2% of the video that you're watching right now. Obviously, this isn't viable. Okay, it's been about 6 or 7 minutes and it's at 20%, as opposed to 6% in 20 hours. Pretty good. That's an improvement. I brought the partially finished lamps over, and I quickly realized they were far too cumbersome for the kitchen, and I'm going to put them over the long, narrow table. But I cannot deal with that now. I have got to get back to tiling. Everything depends on it. It's going to be a huge relief to get this tiling done. It's just been something weighing on me for months now. And because the sewage system is almost hooked up, I need to get this done. I've chosen an old pair of pajama bottoms to wear for my tiling today because I know they're going to get ruined. They actually used to belong to my daughter. They've been in the family for about 20 years. Hey Siri, what time is it? Hey. It was a marathon. I need to finish by 3:30, otherwise I can't work on this wall. Looks pretty good. This wall is crooked, but hello there. My tiling clothing. So this is what I accomplished yesterday. I'm very happy with it. I did the entire wall. And now today, I have to finish this one here, which shouldn't take more than 4 hours. I love the way it looks from outside. I love the way you'll be able to pass by here, and even if the door's open, you'll see a nice piece of furniture in front of this clean wall. The toilet and the sink are hidden. No matter where you are walking by this room, it's great. I love that. So I'm hoping I can get the tiling done and get this place all cleaned up. And then I'm going to go to the big box store and have some fun. So let me show you how far I got. I pretty much finished. I need to get a specialty cutter or somebody with a specialty cutter who can cut all the little corner pieces to just make the job look super duper professional. Without some kind of special tool, unfortunately, I can't really do it. All these little details, because this wall is crooked, you know. There's another one here, and it's fine there rather than up there because the walls are crooked. And here. I'd like to cut a small one. I actually have several meters of tiles that need to be cut precisely. So at some point I'll look after that. For the time being, it's not slowing me down. I can grout this the next time I'm here. And he can paint to meet up with the grout. And then whatever little details are remaining, they can be done anytime. It's good. It's even. There's nothing bulking out. I don't think there are any serious mistakes. It took a while, but I didn't kill myself, which was nice. I took a good pace, and kutsa kutsa, as they say in Greek, I got the job done. This one's gonna be funky. This one's gonna be funky. I need to get packed and get to the ferry on time. Don't tell Dickie. Shh.